Could AI replace marketers? I think the amateur marketer who doesn't have any unique ideas or thought, those people could be easily replaced with AI tools. But there's no substitute for experience. There's no substitute for real world knowledge, understanding of your customers and persona that you can just do with AI. AI is an augmentation tool today. It can help you speed up things that would have taken you hours and sometimes even months or weeks to do. It can speed that process up. But someone who's been in the industry, have a very deep expertise in a certain subject and has a breadth of knowledge about different problems and industry solutions available and the different customer experiences of having interacted with their customers, that knowledge, that level of deep expertise cannot be captured through some AI prompt. For that, you need industry leaders. So this is where every organization should have a couple of key subject matter experts who are spokespeople, evangelists for that brand, for that company, for their products, constantly be in front of their customers, sharing experiences, demonstrating their expertise, sharing their knowledge on stage, on webinars, in videos, in any and every format that they can actually share their knowledge and expertise. They should be doing that because there's no substitute for it. Yes, of course, there could be deep fake and all that could happen in the future, and where they can replicate somebody's likeness and voice and all of that to create content, but you still have to provide the prompt. You still have to provide a lot of the historical context for an AI to be able to have all that context to be able to provide very relevant information. But this is where personal brand thought leadership, right? That is very critical. And you need to have people in your organization on your bench that are experts in certain areas that they can actually be a spokesperson for the industry, not just for your own company, because those people are following people, not a company anymore. They want to see someone who has a very strong opinion or a deep expertise in an area that they're trying to grow in or want to learn about. They're going to follow that person. So from that perspective, I think AI is not going to replace any of those people. But if you're just trying to create ebooks or something like that, you can probably have AI prompts on a Canva that can create your graphics, or ChatGPT can provide you some topic ideas or even write the blogs, but it's still not going to be anywhere near as unique and as insightful as someone's experience and their expertise in a specific field. But I would still use AI to augment, right? Improve what you may have created, and maybe even analyze what you're doing so that you can improve upon it.